Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to verify identity on Robinhood. To begin, you'll need to gather a few essential items. Robinhood requires identity verification for all new accounts to ensure a secure trading environment and prevent fraudulent activities. This crucial step protects both you and the platform. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, usually taking less than 24 hours once all your information is submitted. Let's get started on what you'll need. To verify your identity, you'll need to provide some key personal details. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your social security number. Remember, you must be at least 18 years old to open a Robinhood account. Additionally, a valid residential address within the United States is essential. It's crucial that all the information you submit precisely matches your official government-issued documents to avoid any delays in the verification process. After entering your personal details, the next step involves submitting supporting documents. You'll typically upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or state ID. Please ensure this document is current and not expired. Sometimes, Robinhood might request a secondary document, like a recent utility bill, to confirm your address. Always follow the specific in-app instructions for capturing and submitting your document photos to meet the required quality standards. Once you've submitted all your information and documents, Robinhood's team will review everything for accuracy and completeness. Most identity verifications are completed quite quickly, often within one business day. You'll receive an email notification as soon as your account is approved and ready for trading. If any issues arise or additional information is needed, Robinhood will reach out to you directly to guide you through the next steps. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.